let's start. J is for jelly. J.
Nice.
J is for jar. Good one. Great. Good one. J is for jellyfish. Wow. Good job. Smart. J is for jam and for jaguar. J. Smart. Bye-bye. J. Let's start. K is for kangaroo. K. Well done. K is for kite. Smart. Wow. Great. K is for koala. Wow. Well done. Well done. K is for king and for key. K. Smart. Bye-bye. K. Let's start. L is for lion. L.
Nice.
L is for lamp. Good one. Smart. L is for leaf. Well done. Wow. Smart. L is for lollipop and for love. L. Well done. Bye-bye.